So the manufacturer sent me this sample of this electric brush, and we're gonna give it a try on this grill. I've already used it on my main grill a couple of times and it worked really good. But this one here got left outside on accident and got a little bit of rust on it. So it's gonna need a little bit harder cleaning. Now, typically I would heat my grills up before I scrub them. And this one says specifically, do not use on a hot grill. So I think that's probably because of a lot of these plastic parts. But something that it does have that a lot of them don't have is these metal parts here. Most of them are plastic. So that is definitely gonna be a nice little added touch. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of the grill cleaner on there. I'm gonna give this grill cleaner 30 seconds to sit on here and I'll be right back. All right, so before we scrub this, I wanna mention that it includes this little key, which is basically a screwdriver that will release the brush. There's not an extra brush in there, so I'm not sure how hard those are to come by. There's a little safety right here that releases the trigger. So you push that and squeeze the trigger. And then the LED light right here tells you the status of the battery. So also it does charge with standard USB-C cord. There is one included in the box. So no worries. Let's go ahead and scrub this and see how we do. These center pieces, sometimes they move around. This grill is particularly good at not moving around because of these nice big notches. Let's see what happens. I should have just done half of it because this is just coming off like a breeze. See how nice that looks. I thought it was really rusty, but apparently that was just stuff on the surface. This thing has really just eaten it right off of there. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more, but I'm gonna fast forward that. Wow, look at those results. I am really happy with that. Now, of course, you'll wanna wipe it down. And, you know, these gloves are great. I normally don't use gloves, but just because I wanted to be safe on the video, I'm using them and they are included. So why not? Now, if you look at here, there is a lot of debris on there. So you'll want to wipe that off with a paper towel. What I have been doing is using an appliance wet wipe and just putting it in there and giving the button a little push. And it basically self-cleans. It's the coolest thing ever. So I don't have one of those with me right this second, but it was really easy to get clean and that's how we started. So check this thing out, super happy with it. And thanks again to the manufacturer for sending me this sample.